Hello guys, this is Magic, and in this video tutorial I like to show you how to create your own template. For start, let's click Templates page, scroll all the way down and select blank template. In this case we will go for iPhone. Select, input application ID, this will be just for your reference. Right here you input application name, descriptions, click next, confirm the platform target device. We've chosen iPhone, so I will leave like this. Next. On this screen you can customize your tabs. You can go for no tabs, standard looking tabs, custom tabs, where you can upload your own images, icons, background, text, or go for very cool looking the wheel. Next, you can customize your text and fonts. Next is background. You can go for image or color. Please note, when you go for image, make sure that the image screen is image size is fits the dimension of the device, target device. Contact details and confirm done. Let's click edit pages, and as you can see, our template at the moment is completely blank. There is nothing here apart of our tabs. There's 4 of them. Please note, when your application is open, the first screen which you see always will be tab number 1. So designing the app, keep in mind that this will be the first screen. For this tutorial I have chosen to create template for business, and these are the features I thought a business owner would appreciate in his app. Pages like About Us, Services, Gallery, Contact Us form, push notification, text us, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, check-in, share this app, RSS feeds, one-touch call, email, schedule appointment, map with directions, newsletter sign up, contact details, loyalty cards, feedback. Obviously you can add many more features and change them as you like. So let's start implementing them. To do it, click Add New Page. I would recommend you to change the view of the display view of the pages by clicking here. You will see a little bit more about each feature. To create About Us or Services page, please use the HTML page types. Those kind of pages will give you the option to input your own text, description, and image. I'm gonna go for business letter HTML. Click next. I'm gonna call it About Us. And now you can customize your page. To do it with text, simply highlight it, input your own. To change image, highlight it. You should see this frame around it. If you don't see it, looks like your web browser may not be compatible with apps Volcano. So I'll just recommend you to change it to Firefox. Highlight, click this image icon, upload file, select your image, it will be automatically highlighted in your resource manager. So all you need to do is just choose to resize it, highlight it, and lower it by dragging the corner. You can do it like by dragging the corner, but I would recommend you to keep in mind to make your all images as small as possible and web compatible. In this case, the iPhone screen width is 320 pixels. So please use the image which is smaller than this, so you don't have to resize it. And the tools on the left, which you see here, to find out more about them, just simply use your cursor and leave for a few seconds on each icon, and you should see this description. But just real quick, what you can do with those tools, you can change the text, color, background. You can input your table, images, links to the pages within app, to pages, external pages, Google Map, YouTube, videos, and audio, paper buttons. You can create your own shopping cart, and many more. Please note that every time you make any change, always click save. If you decide to change the page to some other one, in other way, in other words, convert the page, please just click right here, convert the page. I'm gonna change the view, and you can change to any of them and click convert. I'm not gonna convert it in this case, I will just leave it as it is. So this was implementing first page called About Us. To do it, to implement the service one, we will do it exactly the same way. So just add new page, change the view. For services, you can use maybe this one, personal letter. Next, services, create, highlight, and it's up to you how it will looks like. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Or maybe one more thing I mentioned, to change the background, or background, all you need to do is just to click right here, page style, and color. Let's use this one. Apply changes. Done. And done. Okay, so this was the second page. What do we have next? Gallery. To create gallery again, add new page. Let's look for gallery, future. Gallery future will be in image category, right here, image page types. And what we can choose, the gallery looking like this, or display images on native page looking like this, or looking like this. Right, maybe let's go for this mosaic one. I would strongly recommend you just to play with all of them so you get the idea what kind of possibility you have. Next, gallery, call it. And now, to add images, all you do is just simply click plus, picture number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as you can see, you don't see any images here. The reason for it is because we have to link them first to our resources, our library. To do it, simply click images, image, those 3 dots, upload. Okay, maybe I'll use, let's use the same image. Okay, again it will be highlighted automatically, just click choose. As you can see, it's right here. And again, about the image size, please note that when you click this tab, image tab, it will enlarge to full size. And if you make the image bigger than the width of the device, which in this case is 320, let's say your image which we just uploaded was 500, the app will shrink it. And when it will shrink it, it will look not good. So you want to keep in mind that 320 probably by 320 this square image would be the best. Okay, so I will do the same with second, third, but now I will just highlight this one and use the same for all images. Okay, let's add 2 more. Okay, and what you can do in this case, specify the URL. So every time someone clicks on the bigger size of the image, the person will be taken to the URL which you specified in here. Click save. Or maybe let's just title it last project. Save. To change the background of this page, simply go to page style. Done. And our gallery is finished. Every time you click on the icon image, it will enlarge, and right here you don't see the arrows to slide to next one. This is because we are previewing it on web browser. To have a look, to check it how it looks exactly, please download our Apps Volcano Previewer app on your device, then log in using the same credential which you created Apps Volcano account, and then choose your applications, and you will see exactly how it will look like after it's published. So all looking good. I'm just gonna click done, and let's implement another page, which is contact us form. To do it again, add new page, change the view, and contact us form. Let's look for it. It's right here. For contact us, you can use either this form or more advanced, which give you many more options, and it's called feedback. For now I will just use form and then click next. Let's name it contact us. Right, so in this case you input the email address you like the inquiry to go to, confirmation message, save. Done. And let's go to another page, which is push notification. Push notification, it is very useful for business owner, as he can communicate with the user, with the client. And let's go to another page, which is push notification. Push notifications are extremely useful for business owner, as he can send promotions, offers to the clients with one click. One click. Okay, and let's go to another page, which is push notifications. Push notifications are extremely important for business owner, as he can send promotions, offers, some deals to clients, and the message will go straight to the phone on the screen. To implement it, all you have to do is add page. I like to change the view, and let's find push notifications. Okay, and let's implement another page, which is push notification. Push notifications are extremely important for business owners, as he can send promotions, offers, deals, some important updates to their clients, and they will see the message straight on their phone. Let's implement by clicking add new page and look for push notifications feature, which is right here, the smiley face. Next, I will call it push notifications, create, and the page is implemented. You can change the name as you like, the background. You can add some image, obviously. Save, done, and it's right here. Next page, text us. Again, very easy way for your clients to contact the business owner. To do it, we need to find the future called SMS, which is right here. Call it text as. Okay, right here you can just input the phone number which the text messages will go to. In here the message to the person, to your clients. So you could input anything. For more information, please text us. And phone number. Save. And done. Okay, next page. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Okay, so again, add page. Let's look for Facebook first. You have two options with Facebook. You can either create Facebook fan page or standard looking Facebook. Let's go for standard looking Facebook. Create. In here you need to type your Facebook URL. I'm gonna use apps Volcano Facebook. Save. And done. Next, Twitter. That's right here. The same. You want to use your Twitter address, URL, save. Don't worry that you don't see it here. This is because we are viewing it on a web preview app. But if you like to see it, how it looks like, please download our Apps Volcano Previewer app on your device and have a look. Next, YouTube, right here. You do the same. YouTube address. Done. And let's implement check-in, share this app, and RSS feeds. Check-in will be somewhere at the bottom. Check-in right here. Please note it's only available for iOS. Right here you specify the name, address, telephone, latitude, longitude, and description. Save. Done. Check in next. was RSS feeds. Right here, next, RSS feed. Here you can customize header. This is the header title right here, and in here you input a URL, and you can just input your blog, or you can input YouTube, and you can specify just to display the feeds from certain user of YouTube. Let's say Volcano get feed, and this is the feeds from Volcano user. You can specify the search query or tag, WordPress blog URL, or Twitter, or Facebook number ID. To find out where to get it from, please just click here. Okay, if it's done, save and click done. Right, next, share this up. Share this up option will be right here. Share this up. App name, icon, description. Right here you input description, which will be shown to the person who will receive the link to check your app. Right here you input a link to your application in the stores, here in Google Play and Amazon. Click save it when it's done. Okay, what's next? RSS feed, check in, one touch call, one touch email, schedule appointment, map with directions, newsletter. Let's make now schedule appointment. Add page. For schedule appointment, we will use feature called feedback. Okay. Right here, you select the header, target email, email subject. At the bottom, right here, confirmation message. And right here, you can select the fields which you like. So, schedule appointment, what we need probably it's title, so I'm gonna just add new field, but now I will change the label to says your name, Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit maybe on first place. To do it, just play with those arrows. Your name, then I need to change the future, because right now it's location, so it will give me option to pick location, but I don't want it. I just want the text. Okay, next one I will have phone number. So I just added your phone number. Again, put it up and change the type to says text. Okay, your name, your phone number, the date, obviously. Let's put it a little bit higher. The time, put higher, and location as well, if there are more than one business location. Obviously, you can add more fields as you like, or maybe let's add your email address. Please remember to change the type to, in this case, email. When it's done, click save, and our schedule appointment is done. Next, contact details. Let's make contact details. For contact details, we have very nice page, and it is called About Us. Okay, and on this page you can specify the name, email address, business location, address, telephone, website, and short description. What's good about this particular page is that whenever someone clicks on the email address, it will send him straight to send email address. When address is typed, it will give the Google map. Phone number, when it's typed, it will automatically dial it, and web address, it will take to website. To customize it, simply click this arrow right here, company name is right here, so we don't want to touch this one, but we want to specify description. So let's make apps Volcano. And again, if we just type in the text, we don't want to attach any function to it, like call or email. We just need the scheme to nothing, none. But if you like to make it like website, you would have to select the function HTTP, or if you like to make phone call, you would need to find telephone, share email. Let's just make email address, as you can see right here, the type is send mail. And obviously to customize the background or text, you can either use those tools on the left, or to change the background you will use page style right here. Save, done. Next feature, loyalty cards. Add new loyalty card will be right here. Loyalty card. Okay, right here specify the name, coupon image, secret code, number of stamps, like number of visits, where you give some kind of reward after, a stamp image, stamp place image, and description. To customize it step by step, please refer to our tutorials right here and just type loyalty card, and you will get the detailed step by step how to customize this particular page. Done. Next feature, feedback. We will use the same feature that we use schedule appointment. Feedback right here. And again, email address, your email address, email subject, you can specify the submit text, and in here whatever you like to ask your client, you can do the same way which we did. Schedule appointment. Just please remember to specify the type of the field. Click save when it's done. Feedback, loyalty card, contact details. Let's do now map with directions. To make map directions, please click add. There's few ways to do it, but let me show you probably the way I like to make it. So I just select business letter HTML, map direction, and in here let's put our location, I'm gonna delete this and I will use the function called Google Map link. Click here for directions. right here we will input email address. What I will do, I will just copy the sample and insert. And a little bit below, what I can do, it's input map. Put in here picture, upload. Choose, and you have map right here, and in here when someone clicks it, the person will get the directions to your location. On the bottom you can type location, obviously, and some description. Location in this case was like this. And your page is done. And next feature, next page is newsletter sign up. To do it, add new page. Choose any of the HTML page type. I'm gonna choose the first one. I'm gonna call it sign up. Create. And from now, what you need to do is sign up for one of the one of the services which allows you to create email campaign sign up form. One of those providers is called mailchimp.com. It is mailchimp.com, or other one is Aweber, very popular. And what you want to do is create a sign up form using, let's say, Mailchimp. Then find the option where they will give you code, source code, to embed on your website. Okay, next step is just to copy this code. In this case it's right here, so I'm gonna select it, copy, go back here, and what you want to do now is swap from design to HTML, select everything, delete, paste the source code of your email form. Now it's very important to click save before you do anything. And now go back to design, and you will see nice sign up form. Obviously you can input some kind of header image. Just gonna use previous image, a little bit adjusting, and you have nice looking sign up form. Click save and done. Okay, and the last two pages are one touch call, one touch email. Those one, what we could do is just use the page called About Us, which is right here. and just put the email address right here and phone number right here, we could delete the other pages. This is one way of making one-touch call, one-touch email, but I will not use this page because I would like to, I'm gonna delete this one. Right, I would like to embed one-touch call and one-touch email somewhere in the tab 1. So because this will be the first screen which the user will see, so I like it, the one-touch call, one-touch email to be very easy to reach. So somewhere in here we're gonna implement this into the tab design. Okay, so that's all the pages which we like to implement into our application. As you can see, we added all of them right here, but nothing actually is displayed under tabs. This is because we have not linked them. We haven't assigned the pages to actual tabs. So for now, I'm gonna decide. Let's decide what kind of pages will go under which tab. So tab number 1, definitely I like to have those 4 pages, which is one-touch call, one-touch email, schedule appointment, and map with directions. Tab number 2, I like to have page with all the contact details. Tab number 3, I like to have loyalty card, and tab number 4 will be all the other pages. So definitely to accommodate all the other pages under tab number 4, we will need some kind of menu, menu with all the pages displayed. Maybe let's start with tab number 2, which was, because that's going to be the easiest and the fastest. So tab number 2, we like to have this page called contact details. To do it, we're gonna do it very easy way. We will highlight tab number 2, hit delete, yes, select contact details, click the 4th small icon called rename selected page, and in here what you want to do is call it tab 2, rename, and automatically about contact details becoming tab number 2. So as you can see, under tab number 2 we have the page contact details. And now let's make tab number 3 loyalty card. So the same way, I'll highlight tab number 3, delete it, highlight loyalty card, click change name, rename the page, tab 3, rename, and our tab 3, now it's loyalty card. Now let's take care of tab number 4. In here, click content, and now we're looking for page which will display some kind of menu page. To do it, click convert page. Now change the display to see a little bit more about each feature, and let's scroll to the category with many types, which is right here. And these are all the options which we have to choose from. Okay, let's see which one is nice looking for our template. I see this one would be good for our tab number 1. Probably for tab number 4, I'm gonna select this one. Okay. Header image is this one. I will change it to our image which we used before. As you can see it's huge, too big. I would strongly recommend you not to use bigger image than the width of the screen. In this case it's 320 pixels. The reason for it is that this image will take a lot of space, a lot of weight, and this is something which we don't want. Okay, now let's start assigning those buttons to our pages. First one, let's see what we have. About us. Okay, about us, I just type it here and link to page about us. Then what else we have? About us, check-in. Let's put check-in. Check-in. Select check-in. Next one. Contact us. Next one is Facebook. I'm gonna add another one as we run out of the sample. Facebook, then there's feedback. Okay, another one, feedback gallery. Another one, map directions will be on tab number 1, so we don't want push notifications. Push notifications. One more. RSS feed. Maybe I will call it Bottom's blog. Next one is schedule appointment, will be on tab number 1. Services. Let's make services, as this is important one. Let's put it a little bit higher. Let's put it higher, maybe on the even first place. To use it, just click the arrow up. Yeah, Now it's the first one. Let me change this so small as contact us about. Okay, what else we have? Schedule point services. Share this up. Next page. Sign up. I call it newsletter. Next. Twitter. And I think the last one is YouTube. Okay, now please remember to click save, and then let's get rid of this blue background. To do it, just switch from design to HTML. As you can see here, background color and number. What we want to do is just highlight it, click save, highlight it and delete, click save, go back to design, and our tab number 4, it's done. So again, save and done. Obviously we can use other menus like in here. If you decide to change it, all you need to do is just click convert, and that's it, done. And our tab number 4, it's done. Tab number 3, it's done. Tab number 2, it's done. All left is tab number 1. This is the pages which we need. One touch call, one touch email, which in our case will be contact us form, schedule appointment, and map with directions. To implement those pages, there could be two approaches. First one is to use the menu the same way which we did tab number 4. If you choose to go with this way, again, all you need to do is just choose the menu which you like, right? And the other option, the other way to customize tab number 1 is to have your background image uploaded and customize the buttons according the image. Let's say your client will say, I like to have I don't know, flowers in here with some leaves, and leaves will be the buttons. So in this case you would use Photoshop or other program to make the background, then upload it here and create buttons. So I will show you how to do it next, but first let's go with the customization option using our menus. So let's just select the menu with slideshow right here, as this would make nice tab 1. Okay, so what we can do in here, obviously change the header image, which is this one. Footer, it's not very visible, but it is here. You can get rid of all of those if you like by selecting and delete. Select delete, click save, and all it's left is slideshow. and buttons. The buttons which we will use to connect to our pages, which is one touch call, one touch email, schedule appointment, and map and directions. To customize the slideshow, very easy, using this option right here and image right here. First you select the image 1 and then go to your library by clicking those 3 dots. Select the image you like. Click save. And we have this in slideshow. Please, one more time I will mention it, but it's very important to use the images which are optimized for devices in terms of the size and the dimensions. And you would do the same with picture number 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add more by clicking this plus or delete them or change the order of display. Okay, now let's implement our call us feature. Select first item in the menu. We will call it call us. We can change the icon right here by going to our library called resources manager. You can either upload your own icon or choose one of our stock images. Let's see if we have some kind of fun right here. Add, choose, and we have fun icon right here. Okay, now as you remember, what we used to do is just to connect to the page. In this case we will not do it because there is no option in here to dial automatically. To do one touch call, we need to change to the HTML view. Right, and in here you see our pages. Those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, the call us was assigned to about us, but this is not what we want. We want call us to dial the number. To do it, just locate the first call us and just slide a little bit towards right, and you will see that the first one is connected to about us, something which we don't want. All you have to do is just select it, delete, and type tel, which is TEL colon and your phone number. Just gonna put 12349. Click save and change the design, and that's it. Now when you preview this application on our apps Volcano previewer, you will see that if you type it, it will call automatically the number which we type. Okay, next page, email us. Let's see if we can find some icon to email. Okay, let's use this pen. Right, and to email us, we have two options. First one is to connect to the page, which is called Contact Us, because what it will do, it will display the contact form. Or you can do the same way what we did with Call Us and go to HTML, find the second page. At the moment is as well connect to About Us. So if you like to use native, in this case iPhone feature to send email, all you need to do is just delete the About Us HTML and then in this place just type send mail // / and your email address. So I'm just gonna copy it, go to the spot where we left and paste it. So what I just pasted, send mail / your email, and please remember to click save. Go back to design and we have call us, email us, and now let's make schedule appointment. Right, let's connect to our page, schedule appointment. Maybe let's see if we have some kind of nice icon for it. Schedule appointment. Oh, let's use this one. Okay, what else we have here? Schedule appointment, map with directions. Select directions and just select the page, map with directions. Let's see if we have some icon. Oh, let's use this one. Okay, the last, the fifth page, we don't need it, so we're just gonna select it and minus, and that's pretty much it. That's please remember obviously to click save, and that's pretty much it. So this was the first way of customizing the tab number 1, which was to use one of our menus. Second way to do it is to upload image and then create buttons around the image, and this is the way which I'll show you now. Let's select tab number 1, click content, convert, select any of the HTML page type. I'm gonna use just blank. Now we need to upload our image. Background image, which I just prepared. Okay, so this is a background, and as you can see, I put the pages which we have created, but now I just need to create buttons. and connect them, link those buttons to pages. To do it, please first click save to save the image, then click add edit layer elements. Right click button, grab and drag into place, adjust by dragging the corners. Then what we need to do is just get rid of the background right here. So I'm gonna just select it, delete. I like to get rid of the border. The same, select, save. And now just for our reference, let's link this page to any of the pages. Let's say check in. And what we will do later, we will edit it and in HTML mode and replace check-in HTML with phone number, as this is call us button. So I'm gonna save it, then another button, again drag into place, resize the button to fit the design. Again, I'm gonna delete background color, delete border, and for our reference I'm just gonna call it contact us, and in here I'm gonna call it email, and this one was call us. Okay, and the same you would do with services. Oh, let's do appointment. Right, get rid of the background, border, and in this case we will link it to the page called schedule appointment. Save, and that's pretty much it. You would do the same with services, gallery. If you like to put more button, you just repeat it. Now let's just replace call us with phone number. Let's just switch to HTML mode. As we can see, the button call us is right here. I'm just gonna slide towards right, looking for page called okay. For some reason it didn't save as check-in. As you can see, there is no pages, which is not problem because anyway we were about to remove it. So all we need is TEL colon and phone number. Just gonna put 1 2 3 4 9. And now if you like to use email function from your device, from your phone, we need to replace the page contact us with send mail. Just gonna copy and paste it. So what I just pasted is send mail colon / an email address. Please remember to click save, go back to design, and right now we have one touch call, one touch email, and services. Go to service page, gallery, go to galleries, appointment, go to appointment. Save, done, and our tab is finished. There's few things which left to be done, like as you can see that we don't have any icons and on the tabs, and the names should be a little bit different. So to do it, simply go to navigation settings, and now let's find some icon for home. This is the icons which we give you to use freely for your apps. Let's select any of them. That's this one. Choose. We call it home, that's fine. The second was contact details. For it, maybe some kind of phone. Next one was loyalty card. That's the wallet. And the fourth one was more, which opens other menu with all the pages. This one I'm going to delete because as we have only 4 tabs. Remember to click save pages, save changes before you click done. Done. And as you can see, we have all nice icons and custom page. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. The other way to customize the page would be to use Dreamweaver or any other software, HTML software, then upload it to Resource Manager, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in next tutorial.